quick video. Couldn't help myself. I broke down and bought the new version of the wireless connector for the RC2. It seems to be a better product. The connection is much faster. You don't have to have the USB-A to USB-C adapter to plug it in for power. So this is the transmitter. I actually kind of like the other transmitter a little bit better because it sits up close, you know, tucked up underneath the bottom of the controller. The receiver, okay, so HDMI to the HDMI in on the monitor, just like that. And then it does require power like the other one did. But this one here, you can just use a USB-C cable and not have to have another separate adapter for that. So I'm running this off of the same battery pack. It's still got a charge on it from yesterday. So anyway, got your transmitter plugged in to the controller, start the controller. This new one's supposed to have the 170-foot range. I'm never gonna try that out, but just connecting it, to me, it really looked like it was a lot quicker connection, and the lag and everything like that is like non-existent. Great picture quality. You can see on my monitor here, this is my 24-inch InnoView monitor. The mirroring is just perfect. You can do the same thing with the AR glasses that I did with the other connector. It's the exact same daisy chain of things that you have to do. So we have our wireless connection hooked up to the RC2 controller and the external monitor here. I'll show you how it's mounted into the carrying case. Okay, so it's easier to connect all your cables before you put it in the case. Flip the stand up so it's flat up against the back like that. You got your wireless connector here. There's the wireless HDMI connector. That's your battery connector. And that's your power on the top for the wireless HDMI connector. I leave this side of the top of the case loose so I can get the monitor in there and hide all the wires. Feed that through there like that. This goes into the opening, attaches to the lid of the case with the Velcro. Tuck the wires in. This is your power connector for the monitor. Connects to the battery pack. Takes a minute to reestablish the connection. And there you have it. Got the all-in-one carrying case with all my junk. 2 drones, 2 controllers, battery pack, spare batteries, camera batteries, camera filters, strobes. These are my AR glasses here in this case. ND filters. Underneath the top of the case is additional storage. I don't know if you can see that, but there's storage under there for cables, extra propellers, that kind of thing. There you have it. Thanks for watching.